based tourism. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Honourable Member Shri A.D. Singh ji, you have 4 minutes.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. I would start in the year 2019, China received about 150 million tourists. France received about 200 million tourists. And the numbers that we have is laughable and it is so merged. And what is the reason? The reason is that we have not been able to sell our tourism properly abroad. We have so much of lack of infrastructure because tourists, there are 3 kinds of tourists. One, a high-end tourist who needs a very good hotel. Then there's a middle-level tourist who needs a hotel which is not very expensive but not very cheap. And there's another level which only wants very cheap hotels. Plus, there is lack of local transport. We don't have luxury buses and things like that, what we have abroad. On the other side, many colleagues of ours have said how much job and wealth has been created by the tourism sector. And what is happening in the last few years, that 2,000 crore or 2,500 crores is being allocated to this ministry, which is so merged, when on the other side we are acknowledging that so much wealth has been created, so much foreign exchange has come, and tourism is one area where we can generate lakhs of jobs, which is not happening. So we have to increase the budget of tourism sector at least 10 times of what we have today, in case we want to earn foreign exchange, create infrastructure, and generate millions of jobs. Now I'll come to further to see that requires a balancing between historian, folk-teller, tourists, experts, and policymakers to make a holistic tourist policy. For instance, there is ample potentiality of village tourism. Indian villages can attract domestic as well as foreign tourists. Nothing has been done in this regard. There are many traditional tribal villages which exhibit great folk traditions, way of life. People want to visit, but they have not been popularized. Northeast is a beautiful place, particularly Arunachal. We should encourage tourists, more and more tourists to Arunachal Pradesh, which will also send a message to the Chinese that this is our land. Please do not put any false claim regarding this is part of Tibet. Now, coming back to my state of Bihar, there are rich Buddhist places in Bihar. In Bodh Gaya, Sarnath, and Kushinagar, facilitate this. We can have a circuit of a Buddhist tourist circuit in Bihar, which is still not there. There are hardly any good, as my other colleague from the other side said about lichvis and other things. Where are the places of stay? There's no infrastructure there. So we have to create viable infrastructure.
Honourable Member, please start concluding.
We have to, Gandhiji started his struggle in Champaran, which can be there should be popular. Sita's birthplace is there. Then there are many other, Rajgir is there. There are many Buddhist and Jainist spots which has not been adequately popularized. And the only bad part is that there is no infrastructure in Bihar for anybody to visit and stay, except in 1 or 2 places. This is what I wanted to say. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Honourable Member.